This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Robin Aggers. This executive-style home is ready for a new home owner. The home is the upgraded Albany plan. When you walk in the front door, you will be amazed at all the home has to offer. The open floor plan with shimmering hardwood floors throughout the main level adds such a wow factor to this home. The beautiful kitchen with large pantry and huge granite breakfast bar and tons of counter space is a chef's dream. There is a formal dining area and a breakfast area too. The stone gas fireplace in the living room gives that warm family atmosphere and has plenty of room for gatherings of friends. On the main level there is a full bedroom/study and a half bathroom. Upstairs you will find 4 additional bedrooms, including the master suite with reading area and custom walk-in closet. The master bath is a wonderful place to relax with the jacuzzi tub and separate tiled shower. The laundry room is conveniently located upstairs and has additional cabinets and storage. The landing will lead you to all the bedrooms. Bedroom 3 and 4 are the perfect Jack and Jill type with their own bathroom, and then you have the 5th bedroom, which has lots of natural lighting. There is also a full bathroom in the hall. The outdoor living space is fenced and flat with wooded area behind the fence. The upstairs covered balcony gives the owner's suite added privacy and overlooks the backyard. The downstairs covered porch is great for outdoor barbecue and family/friends fun time. The garage space is super functional with added storage and built-in cabinets. This home is one you do not want to miss out on. For more information, review the details below or contact Robin Aggers at 865-966-1111.